Okay, this is a little demonstration of the power system meter mode. I'm just going to do the E and I input because the rest of them are similar. What I have done, I've connected a relay test set just for a device to simulate this to the I input and E inputs of the test set. You would use this for doing a load test that would prove that the relay was connected correctly. This serves the function of the classical phase angle meter that you used to have to buy separately, but is now integrated into your CT test set. Okay, what we have here, I don't know if the numbers are big enough. The screen looks a lot better in real life than it does on the camera due to exposure issues and all that. But the voltage up here says 120.50. The current says 1.965. The test set is dialed up to a nominal of 120 and 2, but it's a little bit off. The angle is 60 degrees. I have it set to 60 degrees, I lag E. Okay, let me increase this to 5 amps full scale. These are the vectors. The voltage is always at 0 and red, and the current is in green. Down here it gives you the watts, vars, power factor, and volt amps. There's also a clamp-on input. Like right up here it says hardwire I, but if you're using the clamp-on, it would say clamp-on. The presentation would be the same, except for the fact that you would be using the clamp-on to pick up the current. This is useful for when you have, you don't have any test jack or anything like that, and you still need to, determine that the current is flowing through the relay in the right direction. Okay, it also, in another mode, allows you to select I to I for doing like a differential setup. You want to see if the current ratios between like the primary CTs on a transformer that's protected by a differential and the secondary CTs is as anticipated. This would compare the duckbill or hardwire I input with the clamp-on, I to I. You also have a live ratio that uses a different range of the clamp-on. And if they got like a 480 volt service with 100 to 5 CT and it's in service, you don't want to take it out and you have issues with the watt hour meter, you could actually do a hot ratio on the CT by jacking in with the duckbill and clamping on the primary with the clamp on. It'll tell you the CT is 400 to 5 and give you the polarity, of course, by giving you the angle. And that is the basics of the power system meter, which no other CT test set really has. So this extra tool allows you, this test set, to comprehensively test a CT circuit. Every test you can imagine probably is on here. Once again, thank you for watching.